Following is a demonstration on how to operate the ZOLL AED Plus in a rescue. After you have determined that sudden cardiac arrest has occurred, turn the unit on. Press the on-off button on the bottom right of the device to turn the AED Plus on.
Unit OK.
Open the lid on the AED and start following the visual and voice prompts.
Stay calm. Check responsiveness.
Check the responsiveness of the victim by shaking them gently and asking, "Are you okay?"
Call for help.
Call 911, or if someone else is present, ask them to call for help.
Attach defib pads to patient's bare chest.
Press the CPR D-pads firmly on the victim.
Don't touch patient. Analyzing.
Do not touch the patient while the AED is performing the rhythm analysis.
Press flashing shock button.
If prompted, press the flashing shock button in the middle of the device. Automatic version does not require pressing the shock button.
Start CPR.
If the victim is unresponsive, perform CPR as instructed by the AED until medical help arrives.
Push harder. Good compressions.
Once you've started to perform CPR, the AED Plus helps you to maintain the correct depth and rate. The AED Plus will instruct you to stop CPR after 2 minutes to perform a heart rhythm analysis. Maintain an open airway using the lid as a passive airway support system for the head tilt chin lift maneuver by placing it between the victim's shoulder blades. The AED Plus, with real CPR help, supports rescuers with integrated text, voice, and visual prompts. Its real-time feedback on compression rate and depth helps rescuers administer high-quality CPR. You can find out more information at zoll.com/AED+.